Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I've got a very fun, easy, short DIY for you because I got a really awesome face fasting and I want to turn it's a face vase and I want to turn it into a kind of warlock. So I'm just going to show you how he looks. So this is the face fasting, what I was telling you about, and it is now a prince that is winking at us with his little crown. But as I said, I want to make some kind of warlock out of him because I think that will be very fun. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray paint it matte black. And when that's all done, I have my very pretty gold colors here. And I want to highlight something in gold. I don't know if I'm going to do the same with the mustache. I think maybe something in here. Maybe I just know I'm going to see what I'm going to highlight with the gold. And after that, I got a very cool light that I'm going to put inside of here. And then I think it will be a very mysterious kind of lamp kind of thing. So I'm just going to start and see how this turns out. Okay, so how good does this look? I think adding the little greenery really added a lot. And look at him! He is so cute. And I only tried this color. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, I'm going to have so much fun with this. Oh my god. Okay, and I'm also going to add a clip when it's at night, because I really wanted to show you how it looks at night, and I think it looks so good. Now thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you like this little DIY and this little warlock we made, and hopefully I will see you next time. Oh. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. And stop. No. Ik ga gewoon niet uit. Oké. I really hope you like this